In a world where dogs have completely taken over and all humans are hunted ruthlessly, two survivors plan on taking it all back. The dogs have burned down the cities, pillaged PetSmarts, and surprisingly left Petco unscathed. Our survivors plan on taking over the world. The Queen and her guard live inside the castle. Theodore is the face of pure evil. 7 months later.
Good afternoon, Bridget.
Top of the evening, Rodney.
Today's the day. We plan to take out the canine threat. It grows stronger by the day, even by the hour. So, let's get started. The kingdom is 2 levels. Floor 2 and floor 1. Floor 1 is guarded by the Queen's Guard. Now, the Queen's Guard is led by Theodore. He is the face of pure evil. His doing is what brought down mankind. As you can see, you walk in through the front door. It should be unlocked. The dogs, they do not know how to lock the doors. They do have teeth. This is mine. As you walk into the front door, you will see a hallway, a main staircase, and a den. Ignore the den. Ignore the hall. We want the stairs. As you enter upon the stairs, you will see 3 doors. Door number 1 houses the Queen. Door number 2 has a very large straw. Do not anger it. Door number 3 has candy. Do not be hooked by the candy. It is poison. Walk through door number 1. The Queen will be there. She is agitated easily, but she should be napping amongst the toys. She has many of them. Plant the bomb and be ready to run. It is very possible, Bridget, that you will die at the end of this. That you might not make it home to your family. And I know your family's been dead for 7 months now. So it should be okay. Are you ready?
I'm ready. Let's do this.
Let's do this. Alright, Bridget. Let's burn these slimy dogs to the ground. Yes. Yes.
Yes! Burn!
You will all pay soon enough for taking our families and loved ones.
Solo down into the deeper picture. Mariana like the treasure.